Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In case you are new to my channel, guys, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much to my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. And so guys, I'm back again with a new video. It's not a recipe video, but I want to share with you our shopping haul, everything that we bought that will push us for 2 months, yeah, for a period of 2 months. So let's get into the video, guys. Like my videos, don't forget to subscribe. So I got some of the items aligned for you guys to see. I have eggs that we bought from the market, that is like a full crate of eggs, and we have tissues as well. We bought some vegetable oil, is white bread you can see over there, and then this is maziwa mala. This is mala kuna. There's always the sugar one and the one that doesn't contain sugar, and on top of that we had some drinks as well. Go fruit. We bought milk as well. And yeah, those are cakes for breakfast. Yeah, we have them for breakfast, and not forgetting yogurt for the kids. We bought, there is strawberry and vanilla flavor. And for a super mojo flavor, we bought 2 packs, like a whole of these with another one. And the number that is packed inside is 5. No, not even 5. They are 6 in number, but they just wrote it 5 packs, but instead they are 6. Not forgetting Morning Fresh for the utensils, earbuds for the kids. These ones are for the kids, and these are the 110. These are for the adults. Spaghetti, the 1 packet only, because we had bought for them the 2 packets of Super Mojo. And And so guys, this is the flour that is best for preparing mandazis, chapatis. This is Ajab all-purpose flour, which is best for your chapatis and mandazis. The other one was self-raising. You can prepare mandazis as well and your pancakes. And guys, I think from here I'm now done with everything. This is the shopping haul for 2 months. Yeah, for 2 months. And I hope you have liked this video. I hope you have subscribed if you are new to my channel, and I will be back with more recipes, of course. Don't forget to share as well this video, and see you on the next video.